As reported in the previous video segment, the case in question here is a direct conspiracy involving fraud, forgery and malicious intent against an innocent citizen. In this conspiracy, the criminal act was carried out by the officials of Kotak Mahindra Bank, directors including Mr. Uday Suresh Kotak and Mr. Anand Mahindra, the then director, and one Shri Virendra Sharma. The vested interest of Shri Virendra Sharma becomes clear from the fact that he rented out the said property at the rate of Rs 4.50 lakhs per month to Cogent EMR Solutions Private Limited. However, to suit their nefarious design, the officials of Kotak Mahindra Bank offered him Rs 15 lakhs as rent. Actually, the property in question measured at 15,000 square feet. Now Kotak Mahindra Bank had got its banking license in 2003, and it was absolutely necessary for them to set up a regional office in Delhi. Officials of Kotak Mahindra Bank, directors including Mr. Uday Suresh Kotak, Mr. Anand Mahindra and Shri Virendra Sharma hashed this conspiracy, under which they planned to take possession of the property after getting Mr. Bhupendra Bagla arrested on fake charges. The bank further tried to contend that their employee, namely Sanjay Kumar, wrote an RTI seeking information from Municipal Corporation of Delhi and had written a letter dated 28/2009 as a third party to MCD to know that who was the owner of the said leased premises and also had asked for proof of ownership. Further, it was also falsely stated in the RTI that this information is required by the applicant because Mr. Bhupendra Bagla, who actually was a non-executive director of Cogent Matrix, had claimed that he was the owner of the property in order to receive a financial favor from the applicant. However, this narrative given by the bank is nothing but a bundle of lies and concocted claims, as can be seen from the following facts. MCD is not even the appropriate authority to inquire on the ownership of any property, and Cogent Matrix never existed at that period of time. Therefore, the question of Mr. Bhupendra Bagla being the director of Cogent Matrix is clearly impossible. When the lies concocted by the bank began falling apart, a false criminal complaint was lodged by Shri Virendra Sharma against Mr. Bhupendra Bagla with PS Barakhamba Road. The IO issued a notice to Kotak Mahindra Bank in regards to this complaint filed by Shri Virendra Kumar Sharma and asked them to produce certain original documents provided by the company. Cogent Ventures India Limited, to avail the loan, Kotak Mahindra Bank, via a letter dated 11/11/2009, resorted to lies and submitted a false representation to the police, claiming that the allegations in the said FIR are correct and the said loan was a secured loan availed by Mr. Bhupendra Bagla on behalf of Cogent Ventures India Limited. However, the very next day, officials of the Kotak Mahindra Bank sent a letter dated 12/11/2009 to Cogent Ventures India Limited, whereby it was clarified that the said loan was without any collateral, security or mortgage, and it was further clarified that the said property was not mortgaged with the bank. Hence, the statement submitted by officials of the bank to the police and the DRT was proven to be false. The officials of the bank were clearly making such false statements on the directions of their higher management, who were acting in conspiracy with Shri Virendra Sharma to illegally get hold of the property. The letter dated 12/11/2009 shows the clear admission of the fact that the loan granted by the bank to the company was a unsecured loan. This shows what a common and innocent citizen has to go through when a financial institution like a bank stoops to criminal levels. Such ill practices on the part of the banks are responsible for the plight of the common man in this country, and often the bank management goes scot-free because of their money power and political clout. This is why truth must be brought out in such cases so that no other honest person has to face this kind of embarrassment and harassment.